Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with yet another shell stitches wherein the clusters are perched over the shells and they look like small birds sitting on trees, and they make a beautiful pattern for any wearable shawl, etc, etc. So the pattern is very versatile and you can combine this pattern with other patterns too and make your products or projects. Fine. To make this pattern, we require multiples of 10 chains plus 4 as the foundation chains. Okay. So I shall be using my Clover Amor hooks 5.5 mm and 4.5 mm, and this 5.5 mm for the foundation chain, and this is for the main work. And this particular piece sample I worked with Barbie Pink Hobby Store Aran Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill yarn. This anti-pill yarn is rounded and it gives a very soft texture to the projects that we make. And it is very nice to work with also. The color code is 2036. I shall make necessary number of chains with this yarn and 5.5 mm hook and get back to you. I have made 2 repeats of 10 plus 4 24 chains, and the shell is worked as DC chain 1 5 times and DC, and half shell is worked as DC chain 1 2 times and 2 DCs. Okay, to begin with, make a DC chain 1 DC chain 1 DC in the 4th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 4th chain from the hook. Place a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Okay, skip 3 chains, place a single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip next chain and place a single crochet in the next chain. Over. Skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and place a shell, you know, DC chain 1 5 times DC. So I shall also make and get back to you. I've placed my shell. Again skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, place a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, place a single crochet. We've come to the last leg here. Skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and place half shell. Half shell is DC chain 1 2 times, and 2 DCs. This completes row 1 for us. So I shall be back with row 2. Chain 2 and turn. Place a DC in the very same stitch. Chain 3. SC in the next chain 1 space. Chain 2. Skip the next chain 1 space and place single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 space. Chain 2, skip the next chain 1 space and place a single crochet in the next chain 1, the adjacent chain 1. You are skipping one chain 1 space and placing a single crochet here. Now chain 3, place a 3 DC cluster in the next chain 1 space. 3 DC cluster is 3 incomplete DCs and complete them together. Again chain 3, single crochet under the next chain 1 space, chain 2, skip the next chain 1 space and directly go over to the chain 3 space, make single crochet, chain 3, single crochet there. Chain 2, skip one chain space and in the next one, adjacent one there, single crochet, chain 3, and a 2 DC cluster in the turning chain here. So 2 incomplete double crochets and completed. This completes row 2. I shall be back with row 3 now. Chain 3 and turn for the row 3. SC in the chain 3 space. Skip the next chain 2 space and place a shell here. Shell is DC chain 1 5 times. Oh God, sorry. Place the last DC here. Skip this chain 2 space and place a single crochet here. Chain 3. Skip the cluster, single crochet. Again, skip the chain 2 space and a shell here under the chain 3 space. Skip chain 2 space, single crochet here. Chain 1 and HDC in the last stitch. Chain 3 again. SC in chain 1 space. Chain 2. Skip the next chain 1 space, single crochet here, chain 3, 3 DC cluster in the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 2, skip the next chain 1 space and place a single crochet, chain 3 single crochet under the chain 3 space, chain 2, skip this chain 1 and place a single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 3, and a 3 DC cluster in the next chain 1 space, chain 3, just a moment, SC in chain 1 space, chain 2, skip the next chain 1 space, SC in the chain 3 space, chain 1 and half double crochet in the last stitch here. This completes row 4. I shall be back with row 5 now. For row 5, either chain 3 and turn or turn and make a double crochet in the very first stitch. BC chain 1 2 times in the chain 1 space here. and a DC. Skip the next chain 2 space and place a single crochet under the chain 3 space, chain 3. Skip the cluster and place a single crochet in the chain 3 space. Skip next chain 2 and place a shell here in the chain 3 space. Shell comprises of DC, chain 1 5 times and a DC. Yeah. Skip the next chain 2 space, single crochet under the chain 3 space, chain 3. Skip the cluster, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Skip the next chain 2 space and a half shell in the turning chain here, last 3 chains. So DC, chain 1, DC, chain 1 and 2 DCs here. And the last DC you can place it in the turning chain 2. So this completes one set of pattern repeat. The pattern repeat are instructions for row 2 to row 5, and you can repeat these rows 2 to 5 to the desired length of your project. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share our videos. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.